great crafters. We will be doing the lunchbox and the book bag today. Our lunchbox and our book bag have removable tabs so it can be easy for you to sublimate. Once you get your design, I measured about 12 by 17 for the book bag, and for the lunchbox it's about 5 by 7. Do your own measurements just in case I'm a little off. But it's very easy. We normally tape everything down very securely. Just make sure you got tape all the way around. I always put a lot of tape due to the fact I have to transport mine from the table to the heat press, and I don't want it to shift during transition. So lunchbox designed on already. The only thing about the lunch boxes, they do have that insulation, so you have to be accountable when you put it underneath the heat press, because it's kind of thick, so you might want to adjust your heat press. So let's get this over to the heat press. So normally what I do is 400 for 60 seconds. For the lunch bag, again, like I said, I had to readjust the pressure because it was so thick. So I would suggest you do it first before you have to put it down, because it was hard for me because it was just thick. Let's just say that. Okay, so what the lunch bag is a little bit, I'm sorry, the book bag is a little bit thinner, so you don't have to really worry about adjusting it. Just tighten it up a little bit. Okay, for both, pretty much, like I said, pay attention to your pressure, because I know my lunchbox, I did it too tight, and my paper actually stuck to my lunchbox. So be very cautious on how much pressure you put on it. But other than that, everything came out just awesome. My only issue is like the way I actually position my camera so you guys can see everything. So just keep in mind your tipping time. My tip was again 460 seconds. So revealing this was kind of difficult because, like I said, my paper, you could see that the book bag was perfect. The paper stuck to my lunch tote because I'm thinking I just put the pressure way too high. So be real cautious on your pressure. So I had to peel all the paper off. I'm not going to bore you guys with that. So I just show you reveal after I peeled everything off. Here's both. Now attaching these are easy peasy. The book bag is just Velcro. The lunch box is zippers. So you just, zip it up like regular. So, and then both of them, there they go. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? It looks so nice. It came out so well. I always try to match my blue because it's like a royal blue book bag. So I wanted to match the royal blue at the top and let it fade out to white. But other than that, thank you so much for watching at Gr8Blanks.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. We greatly appreciate it. Bye-bye.